Hello everyone, today I will show you guys my mom's handmade bows and hairbands. So in this box, I store my favorite bows that I would wear or I would use them for makeup flat lays. And it all started with this one. I use this one in my photos and I realized this color works to almost all of my makeup because it's nude, it's neutral, so I wanted my mom to make more nude hairbands, and at that time there wasn't much nude ones. All other ones are colorful like purple, pink, green or yellow, and my mom made me 3 new ones. This was the first one she made. I like this one very much and I like the pearl-like thing on the top. That's how the hairbands look on the other side. And then we have this one. I like this one, the nude colors have a strong pink tone to it. And then she made this one. My mom made this one in the night. There wasn't much nude material and she picked she wanted to use this and this, but she didn't know what to do with it, so she had the idea of using these little jewels around it. When I got it, I felt like it looks kind of strange, but you know what, this one's unique, it's different to all the other ones. Next one we have is from the wedding series. I named it the wedding series because I said I would wear it to my wedding. My mom made like 2 or 3 of this. She bought this online. You get every time a half piece of this and she would plug this two together with some nude color in the middle and she would stick anything on it. My favorite from this series was actually the one with a heart on it. But this series gets dirty easily and the things fall off. It doesn't stick very well to it. This was the only one who lasted on the end. It's in my box. And then we have many colorful ones. I like purple. Purple works very well. We have 2 more purple here. This one looks very nice too. And I like this one as well. Then we have some pink ones. I like the butterflies in the middle. There's a white one, a coral one, and a blue one. And then we have these ones. They are small bows. Let me show you guys. So my mom have to buy these materials, these ribbons every time in meters. 1 meter, 2 meter. It's every time calculated in meters. And sometimes the store would give you a piece of not so well sold material for free. And then there are also times when my mom making these bows and there will be every time a little bit piece left from each ribbon. So she made small bows like this. And this was the first one she made. And I felt this looked so good. So my mom ordered small clippers and made small bows with rest materials. These are the ones on the small clippers. And then we have another one here. So my mom liked to use either things like this, where it's already done and she just stick one on it, or she used like this. I have no idea how to call them in English, this kind of small jewels. She would hang them around or she stick here one, there one. And my favorite one of this is this one. She stick a little bit here, a little bit there. I think this one looks gorgeous, the dark blue and the light blue and the other blue color. I like this one very much. So here we have some other colorful little clippers. Sometimes when I'm taking makeup pictures, I'd like to use them to fill up the empty space in the pictures. We have purple one, blue one, green one, red ones, yellow, and the other turquoise one. And a black one. And here's the other series. My mom did. Back then she had the inspiration to put a tie on the top that hangs down like this. There was another blue one that I like very much, but it got yellow. I like this one very much. It's also very different from the other ones with this hanging down. So here is the raw materials my mom ordered online to make these bows. You need ribbons, you will need clippers, and you will need other topping jewels to put on top. So first you will need ribbons. They come in many different sizes, textures, and colors. You have ones like this, then you have smooth ones like this. There isn't much left anymore because she stopped doing them. Here's also some other hairbands she isn't happy with or she just wants to store them here. So you take a piece of ribbon like this one and then you squeeze it into the shape you want and then you stitch it and cut the rest off. And it actually isn't easy. I tried to squeeze one into shape and as you can see it looks crappy, the shape isn't very well, and you can see the stitch marks. I will show you guys later. My mom's one is much better than me. Like this one here, as you can see you can't see any stitch marks. And by mine you can see there was a white line. I used white thread. After you squeeze it into shape and stitch it, you can choose your topping jewel. My mom have 2 types. So either it's the ones like this, you can see necklace, bracelets and other stuff. She would hang them in a transparent string and then stick it onto like this. she would hang them in a transparent string that you can't see, and then she would wrap around the bowl. She have it in many colors. Here's other pink ones. So you have the crystals like that, and you have the other ones that's already done. All you have to do is glue it on. They come in many different styles, textures, materials, and my favorite ones are this. They look very well on colorful bowls. But many of them, my mom already have an idea what she will do with them when she buys them, and by others she just feel like it looks detailed, she wanted like this one, but she didn't really use it. I like these pearl ones, they work very well to many different ones. So after you squeeze the ribbon into shape, you stick some decoration onto it and glue it. All you have to do is add a clipper on the end. Clippers look like this, the ones we use. They're normally 8 cm or 10 cm or 12 cm. You can buy them in different sizes. And there are other clippers like the ones I showed you guys, the small ones. And that's all you have to do. It sounds very easy, but it actually isn't. Here are some ones my mom thinks she failed at because it didn't work so well together, or she just doesn't like it. My mom bought these packaging papers and these cardboards to store them better. And then this one doesn't have a clipper yet. Not everything works out like this one. My mom bought this and she just thought like she wanted, but she didn't know how to use it. So all this is the same color, it's monochromatic, but it just doesn't look so well. And then others like this. And you think that's all the bowls my mom made? Nah, there's so much more. Here we have a mountain full of hairbands, bowls my mom made. She stored them in here. I guess this was all her beginning work, or other hairbands she didn't really like or didn't work so well, like this one. At the beginning my mom felt pretty good about them, and then she was getting better at it and she just feel like this one doesn't look so good anymore. This one actually looks pretty well. Oh, I remember when my mom did this one, I felt like it looked cute. She never did this kind of style with the other one. I will hold this one there. And this one was inspired by pig ears. It's a butterfly pastry. It was shaped in butterfly and had this color, and my mom did one. And then she had other ribbons like this one she bought for a while ago, or maybe it was free, I don't know. And then the thing fall off on this one. The other brown one, I remember this was from the beginning. This one, the color doesn't look so well. And here is just, I guess the topping doesn't look so well to the rest of the bowl. This was all my mom's beginning works. You have to play and try with all different kind of materials to know what will work on the end. And every one of them looks so different, all so unique, one of a kind. And that's what makes it all so special. And that's it for this video. This was a hair bows my mom made. You can let me know in the comments down below with a timestamp which one was your favorite. This one was mine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you will all have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!